last day of Toymas. Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome to the final day of Toymas, where we'll be doing days 22, 23, and 24. Are you ready to get started, Mother?
I am.
Tally-ho. Per usual, we will be starting with the Advent calendars provided to us by Gregory Arcuri, a.k.a.
Susan and Lego Grego.
Yes, so we will start with 22. In here, it's Yzma! It's Yzma!
Oh, and look what I got.
Oh, it's Flo!
Oh, we like Flo.
Yes, so we don't have either of these.
No.
Time for 23. Mine is not in a bag. Oh, look at this Stitch. He's cute. I have no idea if I have him.
This one is flocked, and I'm going to guess that it is a character from Winnie the Pooh. I'm just going to guess Owl.
It is Owl.
It is Owl, because we knew.
Yes, and what is your 24?
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
Tis the final one.
Oh.
And Greg is going to go out with a bang. No, he didn't! No, he didn't! You lied to me, Susan! You said you didn't get me Edna, and you got me Edna!
I didn't know, but I had a feeling because Susan is extremely, aka Greg, is
extremely
generous. And
Susan!
Edna mode with.
I'm gonna kill you!
And oh, look at the face.
Look at that. That one's so cute.
I don't know who is that.
Who is that? Yes, I don't know. Somebody let us know in the comments below. But Susan is dead meat to me because I know how much she costs. But Susan, you're going to be getting a call in like 10 minutes. Look, I have Edna. We have Edna mode. Mother.
I know we have Edna mode because we like how Edna mode dances even too. We saw Edna mode in person in Disneyland.
Yes.
And Edna mode had all of the moves.
Yes. Susan, you are dead, but I'll call you right after this and thank you. Okay, are we on to the Doorables calendars that give us lots of dupes, but we like them anyways because they're Doorables?
Yes.
All right, Tally. All right, I believe this one is Nick, this one is Miguel, and this one is Jack Skellington, the exclusive one from this calendar. Let me open them up. All right, we are pulling out Jack first. Here is our Jack, and he is very, very glittery. The next one that I have in here is, I was right, it was Miguel. This is one I wasn't sure of. And then the last one is Nick. Very nice. Let's give Mom another minute while she guesses.
Okay.
All right, Mom, show us what you think you got.
I think this one is Tinkerbell.
Okay.
Oh, no.
How did you not guess the hair on Lucas Sea Monster?
I
told you, it feels like an artichoke.
You're right, and we have a gazillion of those.
Yes. What's the next one?
I don't know. I think I was thinking, I don't know.
Just open it.
I'll say Heimlich, but I don't think it's Heimlich. Although that would be fun. No, it is
Tigger!
I really like Tigger.
So Mom has two commons, and the last one has to be Mickey Mouse.
This has to be Mickey Mouse.
No, it's not.
No.
You already did get your Mickey Mouse. That's Pinocchio.
That's Pinocchio. Did we get Mickey Mouse?
I think you might have gotten him earlier.
Okay, I knew we had Minnie. So.
All right. So, Mom, I think it's time to yeet the box.
It is time to eat the box. Ready and eat.
Tally ho. Let's go on to the Munchlings ones.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Eat.
Okay, time to open Munchlings. Tally ho. All right, so we opened up our Munchlings calendar off camera. This was my day 22. I have Sadness as it looks like a blueberry tart. My day 23, I got little baskets. And my day 24 was this peppermint cupcake Minnie Mouse. Who do you have?
Day 22 is a chocolate sundae mini, maybe strawberry. At least did not smell like plastic.
Day 23 was?
Oh, you made me ink.
Oh, you guys made me ink. And she is a mochi donut.
And here is Minnie as peppermint, too.
Yes, and we did smell them. This one has a slight berry scent.
This one had a slight scent.
This one I can't tell what they are. But are you ready to move on to mini brands?
I am.
Tally.
Hey.
All right, Mom, what are your guesses?
Campbell's soup. I don't think we got Smint yet, and the Milano cookies.
I am going to go with Banana Boat Tabasco sauce and this thing.
Maybe we did get Campbell's
Edge.
soup.
All right, what is 22?
22 is nail polish. Actually, that's
Oh,
pretty
it's
cute.
Revlon.
It
How
does look like
nice.
Revlon.
On to 23.
23 is...
Oh, that one's cute.
It's a... Oh my gosh, it's honey.
Oh, it's Billy Bee Honey.
That's
okay,
really
that
cute.
one's really cute.
That one's very cute.
And what is 24?
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Spicy guacamole.
Yes. All right. That is the finale of our Toymas. If you want to see us do a full video where we just show you everything we got, let us know down in the comments below, and we will be happy to do so.
Christmas.
Yes, and it'll probably go over on my YouTube at RachelCatherine22. So come join us over there. All right, Mom, ready to end the video?
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for joining us for another very, very Merry Christmas, our first year of Toymas, and we hope you all have a blessed day with your family. And see.
Good job, Mama.